doing some things on the Volkswagen. Oh, by the way, mustache, it's not lasting very long. Doing some differential servicing. Already did the rear Haldex. Did both gear oil and Haldex fluid itself. And now I came up to what I would call the transfer case, but Volkswagen calls it the bevel box transfer case. I'm not German, but that probably makes sense to them. Bevel, if you want to Google it and figure it out on yourself. But yeah, so brake. The reason why I took the brake rotor off is because it's big and it allowed me to get access in here, which you can't really see from here, but there's a heat shield that goes around the CV axle boot. And look what I found. Yep, CV boot is torn. Probably when I did the clutch and coilovers. Most likely my fault. But the reason why I'm getting in here is because I have a track day coming up this Saturday, August 10th. It's Extreme Speed is putting on Race Into the Night. Oh, that's a good view right there. Race Into the Night. Starts at 2, ends at 10. I don't know if there's any spots left. Hopefully by the time you see this video, you will see or be able to get in if you want to go racing. Willow Springs, Streets of Willow, counterclockwise from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. So anyways, thought I'd do some diff fluid changes since I haven't done it since I've owned the car at 79 miles. It now has 44,000 and some change. But the other thing that I wanted to show you, I don't think this phone will let me flip. So I'm gonna do this probably a way that you can't see. So let's see, where am I? Okay, so drain plug is below. Where do I want to go? I want to go this way. Drain plug is that little guy right there. I'll put an arrow. And then the fill plug is right next to the axle. Now, let's see if I can shine it up. I doubt that you can freaking see that. But, yeah. It's in there. It's not in a good spot. Especially with all that dang CV grease all over the place. My favorite. Look at my freaking nose. My God, I'm a freaking mess. Anyways, these are the brake ducting. It's just like a paddle that sits in front of the control arm that diverts the air into the brake rotor. But what I'm going to do is remove the dust cover, so hopefully it'll push more air into the brake rotor. I don't know, maybe not. Who knows, especially with the brake caliper there. But yeah, having a good time here at, well, the sun's not even showing its face. So mustache and all, I'm out here. Probably gonna leave all this shit just sitting here right now. So good 5-minute video. Remember, bevel box if you're looking to do service or need parts or anything from Volkswagen. That is the proper terminology. Transmission or transfer case. Yeah, transfer case. So good luck out there. Hopefully I see you on the track. August 10th, Extreme Speed.